Okay, I want to show you how to put your data and results into your lab report. So you can see here I've got my beginning of my example lab report with the introduction um, and the procedure, and my data results is empty right now. So you should be for sure putting two basic pieces of data into your lab report. You should be putting some form of the group results, the class-wide, and then some version of just your group's results. So here is Max, James, and Alex. I'm going to use theirs as my example. You just click on that and copy, and if you're putting it into a Microsoft into a Google Docs, it actually will paste just right into there, which is really handy. If you're putting it into Microsoft Word, you have to actually take a picture of it or take a screenshot. I'm happy to help show you how to do that if you need help with that, but it's actually easiest to do that. There's one problem with this. This is not labeled, so I'm going to go ahead and show you just to remind you about how to label some of this stuff here. So if we're looking at their spreadsheet here, and okay, sorry about that. So left vertical axis, we want to get some labels. Horizontal axis labels, okay. That's not what I want. Horizontal axis title, sorry. Okay, so this is the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen gas in the pipette. I'm just going to put parts in parentheses. That was kind of our units. We didn't have an exact volume. It's just kind of ratio in parts. And then we'll go the left vertical axis title. What this was the distance of rocket launch, and that was in meters. And then we need a title for this as well. This is the effect of varying ratio. I mean, these can be different, but the effect of varying or different ratios of hydrogen and rocket gases on the distance of a rocket launch. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't let you center it, which is kind of annoying. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this legend. It's not really being beneficial for us at all. So now we've got this. Now you just hit copy, go back to your data and results. It's fine to link it to there. That means it'll change as it updates. That looks pretty good right there. You can also grab this one right here and paste that in. But remember, you're going to want to make your own title for that. So what I will recommend for this, I'm going to I'll go ahead and make a title so that's a little bit easier. And then I've actually got the averages that I graphed right down here. So when you're making yours, this data will look a little bit handier, a little bit nicer for you, and you should be changing all this for your own. And I'm going to go ahead and undo that for Alex and Max and James there, so they can do that on their own. But that's what your data should look like when you are putting into there. And as far on this slide report, and then we're going to start working on that discussion section. So I hope that helps you on just what that's supposed to look like when you put your data in there. Thank you.